A tourist haven that draws in millions. As well as day trippers, Tenby has amongst the highest number of second homes in Wales. But many of those are going up for sale. Owners unable to afford the new 200% council tax premium. In July last year, 38 second homes were on the market here. This year it's 135, an increase of 255%. But the number of people buying them is down. In the first 6 months of this year, 4.5% of house purchases in Pembrokeshire were for additional homes. Compare that to 10 years ago, when they accounted for 21%. Officials say that's the system working, freeing up rarely occupied houses for locals and generating income. But those in the industry think the plan is flawed.
Quite frankly, here in Pembrokeshire, wages are low, and anything that's sort of in reach for first-time buyers needs to be below £250,000. All they've done is create a glut of unsuitable properties for long-term use onto the market.
But it's not just about bricks and mortar.
There is also an economic impact to all of this. Second homeowners tend to have disposable cash. And while the summer months may look after themselves, it's in the winter that money is vital to the local economy.
Matthew runs 3 restaurants in Tenby, employing 75 people.
And I think the influx of second homeowners has kind of helped us get more of a 12-month-a-year business trade. It does kind of worry me that if these second homeowners that kind of feel like they're being pushed out by the local authority, that it could impact business and kind of the jobs that we are able to provide for local people.
Eva from Cardiff has owned his second home in Tenby for 30 years. His council tax has just gone up from around £2,000 to £7,000.
I understand the theory behind it, but frankly, I don't think it works. It's just another tax.
The council hopes the premium will bring in more than £10 million a year.
We're not trying to ruin the tourism industry locally. We're trying to find a balance. And my view is that someone living in that house all year round is far more effective than having someone in a second home who doesn't spend as much time here in Pembrokeshire.
The impact of a council tax premium is being closely watched beyond the Welsh borders. In April next year, it'll be introduced in parts of England, like Cornwall. Many fear targeting second homeowners may not help solve the country's housing crisis. Dan Whitehead, Sky News, in Tenby, Pembrokeshire.